How to turn off driving mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. As you can see, your phone is now in driving mode. Tap on Driving and tap on Delete Focus at the bottom. Tap on Delete Focus again to confirm. Alternatively, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner. Here, tap on the Focus button as shown. And then, tap on the Driving button to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off driving mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.